is Pomp is dead, y'all? Is Pomp is really dead? Like, I think that's what I might do. Hey y'all, I'm so happy that y'all decided to come back to part 2. If you already haven't seen part 1 of this series, make sure you go ahead and tap the link. It's either going to be on the left or the right of this video, but y'all just need to make sure y'all watch that one before y'all watch this one. Today is going to be part 2 of our extreme closet makeover, where I go ahead and build my own closet / beauty room on a budget, and I take y'all along with me. Now, just because it's part 2, that don't mean that everything is finished and it's done. Like, we have about 3 to 4 more parts. This is really gonna be like a 5 to 6 video series. I still have to get lights. I still have to get more decorations. I still have to just get so much more stuff in this room. So expect more videos like this. Originally, I was going to buy mostly everything from Amazon so that you guys could find it in my storefront, just in case, you know, you don't have a Burlington or a Home Goods in your town. But y'all, I needed to save a little coin. So I decided to go ahead and shop with Burlington first, just because I had my stuff in my Amazon cart already. It was ready to go, and I had about $150 worth of stuff. I thought to myself, like, nigga, you only have like 7 to 5 items. And why not try to go to Home Goods or Burlington first, where you know you can catch a good deal and get some cute stuff. So the first thing I'm actually going to talk to y'all about that I got is this mirror that's actually behind me. This big circle mirror, it's very much part of the vision. I seen this in my head and I said, oh, I have to have it, because when am I going to get a still like this again? This big mirror behind me, this is a 30-inch circle round mirror. Let me give you a better look at it. It's a 30-inch circle round mirror, and I got this from Burlington, and it's $34.99. Can y'all believe it that this big mirror is $34.99? I would expect this to at least be like $60 to $70, because when I was looking for a mirror that looks like this online, everything was like $60 and dang near $100. So I was like, I have to get this. They only had one big black one in a 30-inch. They had 25 inches, or it was like 28 or something like that, but I'm like, no. This is exactly the size I want, and it'll look good right underneath my LED light that I'm gonna get with my name. I don't have it yet, but I'm gonna get it soon. So if you are looking for like a decent size mirror, I definitely would say go to Home Goods or your local Burlington, just to see if they have something before you buy something online. Next, I did get this right here. This is by the brand Olivia Rose. This is a 16 compartment organizer. Basically it's for makeup, and that's what I'm going to use it for. I was originally going to get a makeup holder off Amazon, y'all, and it was $20. I don't know if y'all noticed it, but everything on Amazon now is like $20 and above. Like, if you find something lower than that, it doesn't have prime delivery, or either like it's just really bad quality. Some stuff I have gotten on a dildo, so I can't say that about everything, but I really like this because it's very spacious. It has a lot of room for like lipstick, brushes, whatever you would like to put in this, and I thought it was really, really nice because it's only $9.99, y'all. The one, like I said, from Amazon was $25, and it was a lot smaller than this. So I was happy that I did find this. I'm going to sit this somewhere on one of these. I don't know exactly which one yet, but it's gonna go somewhere. I did also get this vase from Burlington, y'all. This was $9.99, and I just couldn't pass it up, because something like this on Amazon or on the web in general will be like $20 and up just for the size of the vase. They like to charge so much money for the littlest things, so I feel like, how could I pass up on this? I don't know if I'm gonna put greenery in this or if I want to do pampas. I don't know. Is pampas dead, y'all? Is pampas really dead? Like, are there any other plants that are kind of like in style right now or trendy? I kind of don't care what's trendy, as long as it looks good. You know, I love it. This definitely is gonna go up here on this one. I don't know if it's gonna go exactly right there, but I got that mainly for like decoration purposes. Next, I did get this 3-tier spice rack by the brand Modern Kitchen. This was $4.99, and the reason why I got this is because I feel like this was so multi-functional. I'm actually not going to use this for spices, but I'm going to use this as like a perfume stand or a perfume rack. I also got this turntable. This is by the brand Simple Made, and this was also $4.99. That's why I said y'all need to check y'all local Burlington or Home Goods, because they will always have a lot of stuff in there underneath $5. The reason why I got a turntable is because I was looking for something that I could turn for my skincare that I can use either like in the bathroom or leaving it in my closet, because a lot of things I'm going to put in here are going to be used for grab and goes, and I don't want to have to, you know, knock everything else down that I'm looking for in order to get a certain product. Because that's what I was doing before, y'all. Like, I would literally set everything up nice and neat, and then when I needed something, I would just be sometimes knocking everything over. So I feel like this is very functional for that. Next, I did also get this candle, because, you know, What's a room without a candle? I am a candle freak and I love all of the candles that come from Home Goods in Burlington. This is the vanilla coconut candle from Paper White Candle Company. I really loved it because I love vanilla, and when they added that touch of coconut, I feel like it really tied the candle in. So I think it's really nice for this room. It'll definitely help me think better when I'm in here. I also did get these, you guys. These are velvet hangers. This is actually a set of 25, and I feel like this was a really good steal because online, y'all, for maybe like less than 10 or maybe even 6, they already want to charge $20 for velvet hangers. And I just knew Burlington was the place to go because, y'all, this is a set of 25 and this was only $9.99. They actually had a set of 35 and that was also $11.99. Which is pretty cheap for velvet hangers. So I feel like if you want to get some nice hangers, definitely check them out first before you buy them online, because you definitely will get, you know, the bang for your buck. Is that how you say it? Definitely get bang. I don't know. And lastly, I did also get this plant right here, you guys. It looks like this, and I thought this was really cute, and I thought it was such a steal because look at it. Look at it, y'all. It's giving luxury to me, and I think it looks very cute. I love the greenery. I love the black rocks on the inside, and I had to get it because it was $4.99. If they had another one, I would have gotten 2, but I just really love this. I think it'll be cute with some books sitting underneath it just to give it that aesthetic. So this definitely will go up here as well. And like I said, you guys, this is not everything that's going in here. This is just some of the stuff that I have bought. We're definitely getting more things to kind of bring the room together. But now that I've gotten these things, I can definitely try to start putting things in place and get a feel for how I want it to look. So yeah, let's just go ahead and start putting everything up where it needs to go. I'm actually probably gonna do it in the morning. I'm gonna be real with y'all. This video is gonna be more than one part. It is literally nighttime right now, and I have to go out of town in the morning. So yeah, I'll probably do some shopping when I go there as well. I'm filming. I'm filming. Okay, so y'all, we just got back from Burlington. I would have did some car footage, but I forgot. Honestly, I was just in there just looking for stuff. So I did get another Lazy Susan, and I got this one for my lotion because I already explained to y'all my dilemma. I also did get this vase because I feel like it's very cute, very camp. Not camp, but I feel like it's very modern and very aesthetically pleasing. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I was thinking about like probably putting like some faux grass in this one. I don't know, or maybe just putting like some newspaper in it and then putting like little grass balls at the top, like little moss to make it look mossy. Oh, I think that's what I might do. Okay, y'all, I'm in the car right now, back to our crusty chronicles. I just thought I should vlog a little bit because I never vlog when I'm in the car out doing stuff, but we just left Lowe's. I got some more stuff for the closet. I actually got the rods that I'm gonna place in there to kind of make it like more of a closet. I did go in there looking for some lights so I can get like the motion sensor lighting. I thought they would have a deal because it's like, you know, Lowe's, but I guess not. So they didn't have anything in there that I wanted. So I guess I'm going to have to order those for sure off Amazon. And I've also been looking for some pampas, but I did notice that I did have some Shein points. And y'all know Shein be selling home stuff too. So I'm about to take my points and buy like some pampas and just a lot of artificial flowers for that room to go in the vases, like the moss and stuff I told y'all about. But I'm on my way home now to put everything together, so yeah. Okay, y'all, so I'm standing in the room right now, and as you can see, I've already started to go ahead and rearrange everything. I look so crusty, but I do not feel good, y'all. I've already started organizing things and kind of placing them where I want them to go. We still have to put that mirror up, and I still have to get my LED sign, and I still have to get the lights to go in this room, but I'm just going to go ahead and install like closet rods where you kind of see the clothes already at behind me, so I can get them set up. And y'all, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I'm not feeling good right now, so I'm kind of in for the rest of the video. I'm probably just gonna set things where I feel like they are going to go, and then, you know, we can go from there. But that's probably going to be the end of part 2. But I'm gonna go ahead and install everything. And if anyone wants to know, these are the rods that I did get these from Lowe's. They were about $9.99 a piece for the 30-inch rods. They are adjustable, so it does get a little longer. But yeah, like I said, I got these from Lowe's. They do come with screws, if anyone was wondering. Sorry, I'm watching a podcast right now while I'm doing this, but
like every people pleaser
I have already completed this side already, so I've put all of my pants that I'm gonna have up here for right now. This is kind of like my test side, and I think it looks pretty good. It feels pretty sturdy, but I'm just gonna probably make sure the nails is a little more secure if I can get in there. If I can get in there. How did I get this in here? Oh my god. Oh yeah, I screwed it in before first. Oh. So next we're gonna work on this section right here. And I kind of moved the top part of that. It doesn't match the one that I just showed y'all over there. I'll show you. It doesn't really match this one that I have over there because you can see it's a little more room. Because I noticed with the pants, it kind of looks like it wouldn't have been enough room. I had to literally like double fold the pants for them to fit correctly. So I just kind of moved that up so there'll be more room for the jackets. And yeah, I'm gonna start hanging those up right now. I have came to the conclusion that I am just going to have to take this whole thing out, because when I put the hangers up there, just imagine the bar one up there, the hanger is gonna be like this. So that's still not gonna be enough room for the jacket. So I'm gonna have to like just remove this whole thing up here and kind of figure everything out. Cause like I said, we still have a desk going in here. So we'll have some storage room left, because the only things that I haven't kind of found a place for was like my hair and nail stuff, and that's the most messiest stuff I have anyway. So I'm just gonna plan to store that somewhere else at a later time, later date, because around next month or March, that's where I'll be getting, you know, mainly the rest of everything for this room, and we will be done with this project completely. That's when I'll be getting my LED sign, the lights, and all that good jazz. The desk is gonna be a completed room in here, at least on my side. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get rid of this one so it'll be enough room for the jackets. I don't really think it's taken away from the space. If it does, I can always change it around. Like, it's always gonna still be right there. This is just what we're doing for right now. So yeah. Okay, y'all, so it is the next day. This is the last and final video that I'm taking. As you can see, I think it came out so good, y'all. Sorry, y'all, you were screaming like a crazy person in the background, but I think it came out so good. You wouldn't even know that I installed these on my own. Like, it just looks so amazing, y'all. I can't wait until everything comes together. I'm still trying to figure out where I want to put everything, but I'm so happy with how everything is looking so far. We still have a lot to go, so make sure y'all are staying tuned for the rest of this series. Let me know if you like this down below, but I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.